Hi friends, welcome to GSK Smart World. Recently, Bharatiya Pashupalan Nigam Limited released a notification for 3,348 various vacancies. So in this video, I am going to explain notification details. At the same time, I am going to explain how to apply for this job. So both the things I will explain. So please watch this video completely. Actually, this is the official notification, guys. This notification in Hindi language. So if you want to download this notification, I have provided this notification link in my video description. You can go through it. And also I have provided official website link in my video description. You can go through it. But anyway, I will explain notification details clearly. Actually, we have 3,348 total various vacancies. So if you see those vacancies, 2,700 vacancies for sales assistant and 540 vacancies for sales development and 108 vacancies for sales manager. So these three are our different vacancies. If we check the important date here, last date for submission of application 31st August 2020. So today is the 21st August 2020. So we have only 10 days time to apply this job for as soon as possible. And if you see the vacancy details, so as I already said you, 2,700 vacancies for sales assistant and 540 vacancies for sales development officer and 108 vacancies for sales manager. And if you see the eligibility criteria or educational qualification, and we should have a 10th qualification for sales assistant, and we should have a 12th qualification, 12th intermediate qualification for sales development officer, and bachelor degree, any BTech or any normal degree we should have for this sales manager vacancy. If you check the age limit here, for sales manager, age should be between 25 to 45 years. And for sales development officer and sales assistant, age should be between 21 to 40 years. And if you see the salary details here, 15,000 per month for sales assistant, 18,000 per month for sales development officer, and 21,000 per month for sales manager. So these are the age limit and salary details, friends. Coming to the selection procedure, the selection of the candidates will be done on the basis of written test and interview. Syllabus for written test is aptitude. They mentioned that in official notification. You can check that from my video description. And remaining all the details they'll send to your mail once we have completed the application process. Now I will show you how to apply for this BPNL application process. To apply for this job, first we have to go to BPNL official website. So now I opened Google Chrome. So in this Google Chrome, I am entering this official notification. So bharatiyapashupalan.com. So go to this website. So we can see the interface like this. So here we need to click on the BPNL Vipnan Vibhag vacancy 2020. So click on here. So it will navigate to the notification page. So we need to download. So once we navigate, we redirect to this notification page. Here we have a option apply online, right? Click on this apply online option. Now I'm clicking on this apply online. Then I got an option like open with. I'm opening with Google Chrome. Once I opened with Google Chrome, I got an interface like this. So this is the official website. Now I'm going to start the filling application. In this basic information, I have a job type. So I'm selecting the job, and we have a Vikray Prabandhak and a Vikray Vikas Adhikari and Vikray Sahayak. So first option Vikray Prabandhak is for BTech and degree guys, and second option is for that intermediate guys, and third option is for 10th class guys. So prefer your job however you want. So I am clicking on the 10th job. So Vikray Sahayak. So they automatically fee is selected. So 590 rupees. So qualification is 10th. So next we have a name. So enter your name. I am entering my name here. So Chinapaka. So Gurusai Kamal. I entered my name here. Next mobile number. I am entering my mobile number. I entered my mobile number. And next we have a father name or husband name option. So I am entering my father name here. So Chinapaka Venkatesham. So I entered my father name here. And also we need to enter our father mobile number. So I am not entering my father mobile number. And also date of birth. So 13/12/1999. So I entered my date of birth here. Next now I am entering my email. So kamalcn014 @ gmail.com. Yeah, I entered email, and next I entered my address and state here, and now I am selecting my district. So I am selecting Nalgonda here. So Tahsildar, so I am selecting the Nalgonda Tahsildar office. So that is also Nalgonda. I am selecting Nalgonda. So automatically, yeah, here we have a Gram Panchayat, so Nalgonda municipality. Yeah, Nalgonda municipality I have selected, and then next I entered pin code here, and also I uploaded my photo and signature. So here we have a checkbox, right? I agree on all terms and conditions. So click on this checkbox and click on this next button. So before submit the application, so form, kindly confirm your details. So we need to check our details correctly first before submitting the form. So everything is correct. I am submitting my form. So once I submit the form, so we got OTP. We'll get an OTP. Yeah, I got a OTP. Now I am entering the OTP. So I am clicking on the next button here. So once I click on the next button, I will navigate to this payment mode. So in the payment mode, we have a net banking and debit card, credit card options. We can enter our email also. So we need to pay the fee. So however we convenient. So once we have completed the payment of application, so we will get a PDF. So the application PDF they'll send to your email. So for further details and further any updates, everything they will send to your email. So this is the application process, friends. I hope you understand the video. If you have any doubts and if you have any questions while you are applying the application, so comment in the comment section. So I will give you some clarity. So if you like this video, please like it, do share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.